dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I do keto vlogs, hauls, meal preps, recipe videos, and we have a little series called Kids Cook Keto. In that series, my kids cook keto. We've been through all the kids, and we're back to Payton. What are we cooking today, Payton?
I actually forgot.
Well, does this refresh your memory at all?
No.
Beef, some lettuce. I bought some pickles earlier today. Big Mac in a bowl. We're cooking Big Mac in a bowl. So I'm gonna get the tripod, I'm gonna get the camera set up, and we're going to get rolling. Are you excited?
Kind of.
So excited. The first thing you want to do is get all of your ingredients out. I'm trusting my son greatly with this knife. I chopped the onions. He's just going over them very carefully. Anyway, so these are some of the ingredients you're gonna need. Lettuce, I have a little bit of romaine left over. You're gonna need onion, minced. We didn't have it. I don't like that. No. Do not do that again. That is a very sharp blade. Minced, we did not have any, so I decided to finally chop some. And then you'll also need some coarsely chopped onions. It says Swerve. I don't have Swerve granular, but I do have pure. Mayo, mustard, pepper, paprika, cheddar cheese, salt, white vinegar, pickles, and ground beef. So we have everything that we need. We have our freshly cleaned pan. We have freshly cleaned hands. We're going to look at the next step, and I will link this in the description below. It says we're going to make the dressing. So I will show you in just a second. All right, so we need 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 4 teaspoons of mustard. We're gonna make it in this. Then we need a tablespoon of white vinegar.
It smells bad like vinegar.
Well, yeah, it's vinegar. A tablespoon of freshly minced onion, which is over here. Tablespoon of it.
Mayonnaise.
Yeah, you can put the mayo in now. We will need
All of it?
Yes. You can use this to scoop it out.
Eat that mayonnaise.
I'm gonna rinse this teaspoon out because you're gonna need a teaspoon of Swerve.
Eat what's Swerve?
Well, it's the sugar.
Oh. It's good.
I wonder if we should double this. Do you think we should double it?
Don't ask me. We don't know the ingredients.
Maybe we should. Let's double it. So I'm gonna put two teaspoons of Swerve. We're a saucy family, and there's 5 of us eating, and I didn't see what the serving size was in this.
50 quadrillion.
Okay, and we need another tablespoon of the minced onion, and then another tablespoon of the vinegar. Oh, I hear Linky being sad. What are you being sad for, Linky? And half a teaspoon of paprika. So actually we'll do 1 teaspoon. Because we're doubling. We rinse it off. I've never made my own Big Mac sauce. All right. You can start putting that mayo in there. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons diced hamburger pickles. So I need to dice these pickles up while you add that mayo to that. Here, you need this. Sure. You can rinse the handle off. That is absolutely disgusting. Yes. We're saucy bunch. Here's the pickles. Ew. So that's everything that we need for the Big Mac sauce. So now you can just use this fork and stir that all up. Carefully and slowly. Let's show them what you're doing. Show them what you're doing. Making our own Big Mac sauce. What do you think about that?
I don't know.
I think this is going to be a hit. And they're going to be like, Payton, make the Big Mac stuff again.
No. Reese is gonna give me a 3 because I gave him a 3.
She might forget if we don't tell him. Don't forget to get the mayo off of the sides. That looks good. Right?
It looks like the pea that was left in the toilet.
Oh, right. You're sick. Give it one good. Alright. Okay. We can set that aside. So our next step is to heat the meat. Heat the meat. So this is on, so be careful.
I thought I was gonna squish it around.
Nope.
Oh man.
No squishing it around. It says we need a pound. Of course, we're doubling our recipe, so we're gonna need 2 pounds.
Oh my god, my eyes. No, I want to do the next one, please.
You want to pick up the meat and transfer it?
Gosh.
Why? Okay, put your hands out.
Yes, I'm so cool.
Be careful, this is hot. Okay.
Yes, I'm so cool.
Sir, your meat is ready.
Put on your safety goggles.
Safety goggles, what are you doing? You can start cooking the meat. You are so weird. Can they even see you?
Safety goggles, man. Oh god.
What?
Onions.
That onion cannot still be bothering you.
It does. Onions are evil.
Evil onions. Okay. Do a quick washer-rooney. It doesn't say to do this, but I'm just gonna, I would like the onions to be cooked so we can stop dying from them. Okay. Get them cooked up in there. Are you super onion sensitive or something? Oh, Aaron just went live. How much salt and pepper? About a teaspoon of each. I'll just eyeball it. So while he is cooking this meat, I'm gonna chop up the lettuce for him. Now that we've just been slammed with knowledge, Payton told me, go ahead, tell him, Payton, while I put everything away.
Nah.
Tell him.
You can.
He said, when you think about it, basically, we're not just eating things we touch. We're eating
Thank you. You.
Finish it.
I can't because you just said some other stuff.
Okay, well then say what it was supposed to be because I guess I said it wrong.
You did it on purpose so you can get me to say it.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
You did.
I'm just not in the know of things.
If you think about it, we're not just eating Link's fur. We're actually eating microscopic bugs that are on your skin. So when you touch the stuff that you're eating, you're transferring the bugs to your skin. So you're eating bugs that are alive and living, and they're also reproducing on your skin. So they're reproducing on the food you touch.
Sick. So we shredded up some lettuce. And basically all you do is you put your lettuce in the bowl. Like so.
Yeah.
You get yourself a little,
Sink.
I'm just gonna use this. Get some meat. Put your meat on. Like so. You get your chaz. We shred our own. You put your cheese on. Pickles, you want pickles on yours?
No.
No, he doesn't want pickles. So we're just gonna pour some of our sauce on top. Like so.
Isn't there already pickles in it?
Like little, yeah. And there you have it.
But you're forgetting about the buns. It's not.
Oh, and if you want to make it even more, hold on. What kind of bun does a Big Mac have? A sesame seed bun.
Hey.
Sesame seeds. For the thumbnail. Can you not look like that for a thumbnail, please? Can you hold it up by your head?
You said by my head.
This is what you want on the thumbnail?
Oh, let me see it. Come on, come on.
I'm not taking a picture.
Flip it up. Oh, no.
Do will you smile?
How can you see?
Hold your bowl up. No. Look like you pretend you're eating or something. Pretend you're shocked.
Oh.
Pretend you're shocked, like, oh, I made this.
That's terrible.
Alright guys, that's another episode of Kids Cook Keto. I hope you enjoyed this. If you guys have made this, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite part about Kids Cook Keto is. And if you have recommendations for the future, let me know. See you guys. Say bye, Payton.
Bye.
Alright, stay tuned for everybody's reactions. Get your honest reaction and rate your brother's food.
Good.
What do you give it?
A 3.
A 3?
Why? Because I don't like this.
You don't like the sauce? He gives it a 3 because he doesn't like the sauce. I haven't even tasted the sauce, actually. Do you want pickles, Corey?
Yeah.
I'm just a little confused because that's not very
I don't like
big.
this.
That pickle just flew down the garbage disposal. It's not a true Big Mac yet. All right, now, honest opinion, right here, right in the camera.
It doesn't really taste like a Big Mac, so I have to give it like 6.
Is it the sauce?
Yeah.
The sauce is I don't understand. I follow the directions.
It's really good. The sauce is iffy. Yeah, I'd get a 5.
Tastes like,
You're a mayonnaise. 3.
yeah, I just,
What's it missing to make that it needs more to be more Big Mac-y? What do you think?
I know.
What?
More meat.
More meat.
The meat doesn't taste right for a
I'm
Big Mac.
I'm talking about the sauce. Excuse me. I'm disappointed in this sauce, and
More meat.
I followed the directions. Why doesn't it taste Big Mac-y? It does a little.
The rest inside to give me 3 pounds of meat. Come on.
Right here. 3 pounds. That's a lot.
All right, guys. Well, you heard it here. Don't follow the Big Mac sauce recipe from this recipe. Bye, guys.
And stop.